What to do, fellas? My name is Mercy Gondwa. If you are new here, welcome to the K&M family. And if you are a returning subscriber, what to do, fella? Today I'm in my gang. I've accompanied my boyfriend to get new sneakers. Per. You feel so good to ngube him. But yeah, I'll be taking you guys with. This is basically a spend a day with me, not much of a vlog, it's more like spend a day with me because it's going to be a very short vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell your kids, tell your dogs, and everyone you see in the streets about the K&M family. Bye.
Take a step out, get some air now, cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is hurting. Trying to make some little change to me, a war in my mind. Gotta let go of when he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be looking fun on me. On the wall, I leave my armor feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Show me on my fears, my lips.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so. Know what it is? Know what it is? Know what it is? Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. I really need to know.
I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
What to do, fellas? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mercy Gondwa. If you are new here, welcome to the K&M family. And if you are a returning subscriber, excuse me, what to do, fella? Today I'm going to be cooking with you guys. Master Chef, Chopped, you name them, I'm going to be that girl today in my cooking girl era. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Pick and Pay and get a few ingredients, and yeah, maybe I'll take you guys through the cooking process. I'm not sure. It will depend on time because I don't have much time. It's almost load shedding and I need to get back quickly. So I don't know if I'm going to take you guys through the cooking process or not. But if I do, like you, yeah. See you guys later.
Leave me, dripping out on me, already. Got what you needed, I got it quickly. Learned yourself through me, already. Got you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
Guys, let me show you what I got from Pick n Pay today. I got spinach. I'll be making creamy spinach today. And this fresh cream. And then this garlic. I bought this one because I couldn't afford the spice, child. And then these peppers. I don't know if I'm going to use them today, but we'll see. And these potatoes. Because imali. And then yeah, I think that's all. Oh, and this I got rosemary, guys. I didn't want to buy rosemary. I wanted bay leaves. This is not nice. What am I going to do with this? If you know something nice, this is why more rosemary. Because I don't know what to do with this, and I don't even have time to take it back because it's load shedding in an hour. So let me get to it and stop complaining about rosemary and see what I'm going to do for my dear parents. Alright, let me start cooking, guys. See you later in the video.
You wanna get with me, stop it.
Shawty made that ass she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty. Shawty made that ass she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Got the ass to the floor. I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you're right at the top, babe. She wants your name,
Hi guys, welcome back to day 2 of the vlog. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday everybody. I hope you guys are having a blissful day. In the first part of the vlog, I told you guys that the vlog was going to be very short and that it was going to be a spend a day with me. Spend the day with me, but I decided to change my mind and edit the cook with me video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a beautiful and lovely and productive week, and also may you find love. Bye.